Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening X and tapping your profile, then select Settings and Privacy. This is where content rules live. Once done, make sure your app is updated and that your account age is set correctly. Platforms restrict sensitive content by age. You need those prerequisites in place because changes won't appear otherwise. Next, go to the Privacy and Safety section. That's where display preferences and search filters are grouped, and where you'll make the core adjustments to see sensitive content. Now, in Privacy and Safety, open the Safety or Search settings. This is the detailed step. Toggle on display media that may contain sensitive content so X shows flagged posts inline. Then, check search settings and uncheck any hide sensitive content option. This affects search results and trends. Make sure to save or confirm changes when prompted. Some platforms apply filters per device, so repeat on mobile and desktop. You're doing this to change how X filters media, not to finish by restarting the app or refreshing the browser so settings take effect. Changes sometimes require a relaunch. If you still don't see sensitive content, clear cache, sign out and sign back in, or repeat the steps on a different device. Make sure any content filtering browser extensions or network filters are disabled. Those can override X. Key troubleshooting tip: disable extensions or clear site data first. Many issues come from local cache settings rather than X itself, and that often fixes the problem immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.